Here is one of our products, Electric Power Insulation Coating Repair Paste Kits, used for electrical facilities and transmission lines. It has properties of anti-pollution and flashover, strong hydrophobicity, high self-cleaning, salt and fog resistance, weather resistance. Instructions on how to use them. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Clean and dry it thoroughly. In this example, a piece of the rubber insulator was deliberately cut off to reveal the metal underneath, simulating a damaged area that needs touch-up. Step 2. Apply the paste. Select a small, flexible applicator that works well on both flat and curved surfaces. Squeeze a small amount of paint onto the applicator, then carefully apply it to the exposed metal area. Step 3. Reshape. Gently reshape the paint to restore the surface to its original appearance. Step 4. Touch up with our self-coating spray. Cover the surface you don't want the spray on, then you can start spraying. Final result. Looks as good as new. Thanks for watching.